Assalamu alaikum and hi folks. Today we are going to learn reading. So first of all, we should know what reading is. Reading is the fluent process of combining information from the text and your own background knowledge. So you have known some people who are very good readers and some of them are not good at reading. So what is the basic difference? The difference is of background knowledge. What is background knowledge? Background knowledge is acquired through experience and extensive reading. With the help of reading, you build your background knowledge. So it helps you to read the text and understand and grabbing the meaning. Okay, so this is all about reading, that you are acquiring the or understanding the meaning of the text by organizing or by joining the information from the text and your own background knowledge that you have acquired already. So there are 3 readings that you have to do as a beginner. I mean, if you are going into it, this is all about, even it's not only the beginners, the experts use these reading techniques to enhance their reading skills. So first of all, first reading we do while reading any piece of writing is skimming. So skimming is the quick reading, bird eye view. You read like quickly and you just get the overall idea of the text. What is helpful in getting general idea? It gives you the general idea of the text. And what you do in skimming, you read the title, you go for topics and concluding sentence, and you just read the whole text quickly to get the general idea that what this text or the paragraph is all about, the essay is all about, for example. So the next step or the next reading is scanning. You read the text in order to find something specific. What could be the specific things, like the figures, the places, names, dates. These are the specific informations that you can gather. It can be useful in the when you know the answer of something like dates, and you just quickly scan that information, like comprehension questions. So the next one is reading back and forth. You read back and forth to get the required information that has been asked in your exams or somewhere, when you are required to answer them in a very less time. So the next one and the last step is detailed reading. Now it's time. You have written the text, you have just gone through the whole idea, and you have gone through the specific informations. Now it's time to read the text in a detailed manner, to get the whole information in your mind and try to read it with full attention. Okay, give your full attention to that kind of reading, which is called detailed reading. You read every aspect, you go into every detail, and this is all about the 3 readings. Always focus these 3 reading techniques, 3 reading technique to enhance your reading skills, and you will get the proper results. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.